It doesn't seem to be stopping Hock Tan from wanting to continue to be very acquisitive. Of course, it's such a key component of the overall strategy at Broadcom, a company that he's run for a long time. Remember when it was Avago? AVGO is still the symbol. There's a look at Mr. Tan. And deal after deal after deal. The latest that is on his radar for sure is VMware. You can see the stock is up after Bloomberg first broke the story over the weekend that they are in advanced talks. The Journal chiming in and late to the party, but certainly can add my confirmation as well. They are deep into talks that would involve cash and stock. Don't know the price from Broadcom to acquire VMware, a company, remember, that was controlled by Dell until last fall when they did that tax-free spin. Michael Dell, though, still a very significant shareholder of VMware overall, and certainly will be the most important single constituency here in terms of saying, yeah, I like that price. VMware is going to report earnings on Thursday. It's my understanding, and you might not be surprised, that they were aiming for an announcement by Thursday, perhaps at the same time as earnings from the company. Typically, when you get a leak like this, things move up, and so it could come even sooner. I am told, however, there are still material terms that need to be finalized, so that does at least put some question mark there. It does put pressure on both sides, of course, as well. They are talking about large synergies, from what I'm hearing, for Broadcom, Mike, which is a company, again, that has thrived on doing deals and conceivably has gotten the confidence of the market and their ability to derive significant cost savings from those deals. I mean, you can take a look. Yeah, that doesn't look so good, but give me a long term on Broadcom to give people a sense as to the value that's been created. $220 billion market value now for this company. Yeah,
and I was trying to tease out, the 4%, indicated decline in Broadcom. As you say, it's known to be an acquisitive company, and this is part of the strategy. We don't know the price, so we don't know, how close to that all-time high in VMware of $200 a share any deal might occur at. So that's why the market can't figure it out. But that's not necessarily, the market throwing a tantrum about it, a 4% down.
No, I mean, if you want a price check, which, again, is helpful perhaps for VMware or Michael Dell, you're getting it on Broadcom, right? Because, again, it's cash and stock. Unfortunately, have not been able to determine the composition of and or the overall price. But you do get a check on Broadcom stock there. Not too bad. If that holds 4% down, not too bad. And again, they haven't been able to tell their story at this point, what the synergy numbers really look like, what their expectations are, what the rationale for the deal is. It was interesting listening to Pat Gelsinger. I don't think we have it, but Andrew asked him about it. Sort of said he'll reserve judgment at this point, I guess.
It's
former
interesting.
CEO of VMware.
It is interesting. I mean, Broadcom's down, way less than tech is down 20% from the highs coming into today. But it's made its way, along with, stocks like Qualcomm, into a lot of kind of dividend quality, relative safety portfolios. So, the word has gotten out from Broadcom, we're buying cash flow businesses. You have a 3% yield. So you have to wonder if, everybody's going to be excited about, about this possibility. But, it seems opportunistic. And as I said, VMware down a lot.